Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the top 5 free audio editors for podcasters and YouTubers that you need to check out. Let's jump right in. First up is Audacity. It's open source, completely free, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. With Audacity, you can record audio, edit tracks, cut, copy, paste, and add a variety of effects. The interface might look a bit old-fashioned, but it's powerful and reliable. Many YouTubers and podcasters use Audacity every day for their projects. If you ever need help, there are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through any step. Next is Awesome Audio. If Audacity feels a bit too complex, Awesome Audio is a great alternative. It's lightweight, easy to use, and also works on all major platforms. One standout feature is that you can preview effects in real time, so you hear exactly what your changes will sound like before you apply them. It's perfect for quick edits and cleaning up your audio without having to learn a lot of complicated tools. Number 3 is GarageBand, which is for Mac users. Most Macs come with GarageBand already installed, and it's not just for making music. GarageBand is excellent for podcasting and voiceovers too. The interface is clean and simple with drag and drop editing and a good selection of built-in effects. If you're starting out and you have a Mac, GarageBand is a place to begin. Fourth is WavePad. There's a free version for both Windows and Mac, and it comes with a lot of useful features. You can cut, trim, add effects, and even process multiple files at once. The interface is straightforward and it supports many different audio formats. And finally, check out Soundtrap by Spotify. This one works right in your browser, so there's nothing to download. The free plan lets you record, edit, and even collaborate with others online, which is great if you're working with a team or want to edit from anywhere. Soundtrap includes built-in loops and effects to help you enhance your audio easily. That's it for my top 5 free audio editors. Tell me in the comments which one you want to try. If this helps you, please subscribe. And don't miss my next video, Top 5 Free Video Editors with No Watermark. Click the link at the top right corner. Thanks for watching.